In this Math in Minute video, we're going over mean, mode, and median of a list of numbers. So let's first define what those terms mean. A mean is like the average of a list of numbers. You sum up the numbers and then you divide it by how many numbers are in that list. Mode is determined by the frequency of a number. Which number in the list do you see or has the most frequency? And that can also happen if there are two different numbers that have the same amount of frequency. That would be called bimodal. And if you have multiple numbers that have the same amount of frequency, that would be multimodal. And then the last one is median. And basically that's the middle number when they are in numerical order. So let's take a look at an example of this. So here we have our list of numbers: 45, 70, 25, 20, 70, 33, and 10. So let's find the mean of this number, which is basically like the average. So what we're going to do is add up all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. Okay, so when we add this list of numbers, they sum up to 273. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to divide our total by 7. So 7 into 273 is equal to 39. So that's our mean. We totaled up everything and then we divided by the amount and we get 39. So 39 is the mean for this list of numbers. Let's move on to mode. So mode is the frequency that a number appears. So if we look at our list, we have 45. There's only one 45. 70. So we have two 70s in our list. 25, there's only one. 20, there's only one. 33, there's only one. And 10, there is only one. So our mode is 70 because that is the highest amount of frequency for the numbers in our list. Lastly, let's look at median. Median is when you list the numbers in numerical order and you find the one that lies in the middle of them. So in our case, we can mark the front and the back until we get to the middle. So we mark out 10 and this first 70, 20 and the second 70, 25 and the 45. So in the middle is 33. So 33 is our median. If you had 2 in median, you would add the two numbers together and then divide by 2. But since our list was an odd number, we were able to get a middle number all by itself. So that's how you would determine mean, mode, and median. Any math topics you would like me to cover, please leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you next time.